Live for Jesus. And it says in Jeremiah 7:23, "And I have commanded them, saying, Obey my voice, and I will be your God, and you will be my people, and walk in all the ways that I have commanded you, that it may be well with you." There's this striking question, my dear friends, here. It says there, how we will be remembered. This is a question of integrity. This is a question of how we are living on this earth. When we're gone, are we gonna be remembered as a person who is God-fearing, a person who has been very helpful in the community? Are we gonna be remembered for our kindness, our loving heart? It's our choice, my dear friends. As Christians, we should live a legacy of goodness. We should leave behind good things. We should give good inheritance to our family, and that is what? A good name. And when you talk about a good name, we talk about what? A reputation, honesty. It's like when your children talk to other people, what they're gonna hear from other people is, "Hey, your father is a kind man. Hey, your father is helpful. Hey, your mother provides very well with her children." That's what we want to be remembered for. We want to be remembered in terms of professional teachers as what? This teacher is, teaches well with the children. This teacher is full of integrity. Without supervision, the teacher teaches well. This accountant doesn't cheat in bookkeeping. That's something very important, which the world neglects right now. They just don't care anymore. Well, it's written in the Bible, the love of many will grow cold. It's also written in the Bible that people will what? Fight to their parents. Children will be stubborn. And when these things happen, when the family is broken, society is broken, my dear friends. That is why one of the things that the text suggests, let us live according to how Jesus walked on earth. Full of kindness, love, and serving people sincerely. That's why it says they live for Jesus. So, my dear friends, I leave you this message, this critical question. How do we want to be remembered when we're gone? How do we want people to talk about us at our back when we are gone? How are our children gonna hear? What are our children gonna hear from other people when they talk about us? Let us pray that it is something that they will say, "This guy is God-fearing, and this guy is a disciple of Christ, and this guy has been, fighting for the goodness of humanity." Wow, that's wonderful. My dear friends, I hope this short message will help us increase our faith. It will help us read more the Bible. Will help us, realize that we need God's strength so that we would live a life worth living, worth remembering for Jesus. Have a good evening.